idiot. Yes, man.
Last week this time I was chilling here. If you want to know doing what, my vlog channel is in the description. Subscribe. But now it's no time. Right to it. The $8 million phone bill saga is causing all kinds of unnatural behavior for Jamaicans across the island. The children are being affected. They can't even answer simple questions.
If water truck carry water, you know, water truck carry water. What does a fire truck carry?
Fire.
What does a fire truck carry?
Fire.
Oh, fire, so. They can't differentiate between animals.
How are them there?
Goldfish.
Goldfish, you say? Everybody want to catch up on me. Boom!
Goldfish that you sure?
Yeah.
You better go put back Kermit's 7th generation relatives. Well, fuck you up. All the teachers them will lose them sanity because of the $8 million phone bill saga.
You ever see one of them, I say?
Yeah, I mean. No, fidget spinner them no. Yeah, man, I ordered one last night, you know, off of eBay. Yeah.
Your favor, idiot.
Oh, fire, so. Parents are being affected. They are misplacing their children for dogs. The world is a confusing place. People will chastise you for disciplining your children via the vine. But when you put them on a leash, like a dog, nobody knows what to say. Dogs are get carried in a hand. Picnic are get put on leash. Humanity. We're idiots. I used to that $8 million phone bill something there to get the Jamaican people them head hot. Now on a serious note, them things they are not really no laughing matter, you see me? I mean no one see it. Xbox the man them a player. Who play Xbox better than PlayStation around the place? Where Xbox a go? As for this, well, this is just another way to get a haircut. I am getting a haircut like that right now. And we all know that when the head gets hot, you can cool it down a variety of ways. And one of those ways is to just chuck off into some nice, beautiful, cool, fresh dirt. Now the money are the real dry land tourists. The man them all have style with it. Make we see that dive there again. If them a swims up on land, can you imagine when them go in the water?
Smoking needs the crack.
Yeah, swim!
That was just bitches.
Swim! That was a joke about black people not being able to swim.
Oh, idiot. Yes, man.
When people heard about Ugly's $8 million phone bill, this was their reaction. Then how much that phone bill they could have come up to? $8 million? What? Yeah, man, $8 million. Wait, me please with a slap because I dream me a dream. Alright, how much you say on the phone bill now? 8 mil. Obviously, I'm still asleep. So just wake me up one more time. Hey, it looked like this man's soul was slapped into retirement. Hey, me done. No, man. Up to the brother, man. The man them a play slap the slap dog. We can't do them sitting there. I can find the next body dog. We can't do them sitting there, my own. People, if you ask me, we now get slapped up like that for free. When me can't get thumped up for a couple $1 million, my money dey pan flight, by the way. Even though the money not really dead, so when the bet pan flight. Come to think of it, me I squeeze off a thing pan corner too, you know. Yeah, man. $8 million pan a phone bill. Just uttering those words in the presence of people who are about to attempt great feats will severely affect the outcome. You think I lie? $8 million! And how much the phone bill come up to? $8 million! How much is that phone bill? $8 million! And now for the man himself, the man with the $1 million mouth. People be telling me the truth, he hurt me to my heart. He hurt me to see a $8 million phone bill. When people like me and so many others have student loan for pay, and that the money they could have more than pay and overpay and then pay some more and overpay again. The student loan will owe. Hardly. I'm a rocket talk to hardly. Alien you call. Hardly. You make calls to the afterlife. Hardly. You're there on a long distance call with Jesus, Mary, Joseph and the 12 disciples them.
Mr. Shaw, you are getting a call from every prisoner in the world. Would you like to accept the charges?
Most definitely. New chat without a road is you think of chattings. Hardly not think of chattings. Hardly do the chattings for real. And when the people them a question you about it now, you don't want talk.
Wanted to get a quick word with you. I know you sent out a release regarding the funding.
You don't want talk. But I understand why you would be at a loss of words. Because $8 million worth of chatting and a little bit of chatting that you don't want chat.
Regarding the funding.
Because you know no more word left to chat. But you see, because there is a God and him not sleep. When the people ever talk to you and you try to make your hasty retreat, he make you almost broke your blood vessel. Blood vessel. Mr. Shah, you couldn't shorten your phone calls. That's why God shot your step. Mr. Shah, listen, the only way the Jamaican people will overlook the $8.3 million is if that $8.3 million worth of talking bring in some serious billions into Jamaica. Otherwise, from that $8.3 million betting, that is what I call being a finance, not a race. Mr. Shah, we are going to move you from finance and put you over Minister of Telecommunications. Because it is obvious that you are an expert in that area. Uncle Hardy, right now when you say cell phone, you have to just go the next direction. If you say cell phone on the left, you go on the right. Then for ban you from cell phone for at least 3 more lifetime. You see, next time you use one cell phone, Uncle Hardly, cell phone is supposed to just come about a ground. You know, hologram cell phone you're going to lose. You don't need to touch no more cell phone for now. You don't need to call nobody. Right now, not even for your picnic them, your grand picnic them, your great grand picnic them, your great grand picnic them supposed to touch a cell phone or call nobody. You do enough talking for that lifetime. If you hold of them on cell phone. I wonder how the rest of minister them phone bill them look. Ta-da day. I know people, let's go to the K2K challenge.
Yo, K2K challenge in the because
Yo, KJ!
Yo.
Come here, dog. Catch! Yeah! Yo!
Kevin too crazy, egg challenge. I know my cousin around there, so she run this, supposed to run there, take selfie or something. But I make breakfast, so I'm gonna go shake her up. Egg grenade.
You guys wanted more? Then you probably should have sent me more videos. You don't get that comment section and holler and complain. Oh, me out to this, me I get you out of my house. Everybody is afraid. They're never afraid. So me I go reward them bravery. You're not gonna get a prize. Hey, thank you guys for your videos and your video suggestions. Remember to tear up the like button. Turn on the post notifications. Check out all of the links in the description. Subscribe to my other channels. I don't know, I think I might be just doing 3 more of these types of videos. I'm calling it a season. 3 more of them videos, yeah. I'm gonna start make skits on them things. Just subscribe to my vlog channel so in case I want to tell you what I want. When I'm over there and you can hear what I say. See it? You are and them sitting them have to deal with. This is K2K, you think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it.